Good morning again, Highlanders, and here are the morning announcements. Every Tuesday, we open the PBIS store in the cafeteria. That is the one day of the week where we sell our PBIS rewards. Students, we have made some revisions to the PBIS store and some of the prices. Want you to know that we have popcorn tickets available for 20 points, and popcorn is given out on Wednesdays during lunch, so you hold your ticket for Wednesday. Recess has been reduced in price. Recess is now going to be 25 points per ticket, and recess takes place on Fridays during your lunch. You'll finish your lunch and go to recess. Cookies are 30 points. The prize box is 40 points. We have water bottles, and they are now priced at 50 points. We also have Dodge chicken meals for 50 points and gift certificates to Jelly Beans for 75 points. And then finally, we have tickets for the game room, and that has also been reduced in price to 75 points. The game room is available on Thursdays during lunch and limited to 12 students per lunch. So please stop by and see the PBIS store in your lunches on Tuesdays. Good morning, Highlanders. Want to remind students that Wednesday and Thursday we will have assemblies in Highlander Hall. We will be going over what we have done for the first marking period and talking about and resetting expectations for the second marking period. So students, I want you to be there and be attentive. Also on Wednesday, we will have PSAT testing for our 8th grade students. It will take all of Wednesday morning for our 8th grade students right up until lunch. All 8th grade students will be in PSAT testing. Your teachers will be able to share with you your testing sites today. If you ask students, it's a really important assessment that will help us to identify students who are college bound, and it is a great way to identify students that might not have been identified otherwise. So students, please do your best. The PBIS store is open today. It is Tuesday, so today is the day to buy all of your PBIS needs, whether it be recess or if you want to buy popcorn or if you want to buy tickets to the game room. Today is the day to buy it. All of those rewards will happen later on in the week. There will be no GSA or yearbook meetings on Thursday, October 14th. Reminder to students that ELP sessions are underway, and we welcome all students at ELP. Laptop distribution is continuing, so students, if you have those forms, please show them to your first period teacher and have your teacher send you to Ms. Rossell in the Media Center. Pinellas County Schools still strongly recommends the wearing of masks, and we have plenty here at school for anyone who would like one. Students and families can choose whether to wear a mask or not, and all choices are respected. Tardies do count. Reminder to students, you have a warning bell that gives you 1 minute to get to class. Be on time to every class every day. It is a new marking period. The counts have reset. And so students, we want to make sure that you are in your classroom and learning, because the goal is to get you to high school. Also want to remind students to bring water bottles to school. Cell phones, earbuds, headphones, Bluetooth speakers are not allowed on campus. The same goes for hats, hoods, and head coverings, which are not allowed. Now some special updates about some upcoming events. Wednesday night's PTA meeting will be the high school magnet night, and it will be virtual. So that's on Wednesday, October 13th at 6:30 p.m. It'll be the regular PTA meeting. And students, this is important not only for our 8th graders, but also for 6th and 7th graders to start to see the opportunities and the options that are available in high school. Pinellas County Schools has so many opportunities for you to explore. So let your parents know and log in with your parents on Wednesday night. You'll be able to meet programs from all over Pinellas County, programs with academics, engineering, the arts, veterinary, culinary, all types of options that are available here in Pinellas County Schools. You won't want to miss this opportunity. Talk to your parents about attending the high school magnet night with the PTA on Wednesday, October 13th. Students, our PTA is sponsoring a Dunedin Highland Middle School Spirit Night at Skyzone in Clearwater. That is going to be on Thursday, October 14th. And so for more information, you can visit the PTA website to get information on this fundraiser, Dunedin Highland Middle School Spirit Night at Skyzone. On Wednesday, October 20th, the PTA is sponsoring the Kona Ice Truck to be here as part of a fundraiser. And so the Kona Ice Truck will be in our car circle on Wednesday, October 20th, right after school, selling Kona Ice to students. So students, if you want to be a part of that and get some Kona Ice, you can bring your money on Wednesday, October 20th and visit the Kona Ice Truck in the car circle. The theater classes in the theater department with Ms. Eichler are sponsoring a haunted house on October 21st and 22nd in the Media Center. It will take place in the evening, and it will cost $5 per person to go through the haunted house, but it is a great way to support our students and enjoy some holiday spirit. PTA Reflections is an art program available to all students nationwide. Last year we had several winners both at the district and the state level here at Dunedin Highland Middle School, and so I encourage students that are interested in the arts to participate in PTA Reflections. The theme this year is I Will Change the World By, and so there's information on entries on the PTA website. All entries are due by October 29th at 4 p.m. in the front office. For rules and entry information, visit dhmspta.org. We look forward to seeing your entries. As always, students, if you have a conflict with a peer, please seek the assistance of an adult before taking matters into your own hands. Here at Dunedin Highland Middle School, we use the Say Something app. If you see something, say something. The app is on the front page of our website, and it is the fastest and safest way to report any type of suspicious activity or bullying. At Dunedin Highland Middle School, our rep is respect, excellence, and pride. Have a great day. Go Highlanders!